yeti omem ha say omaya yetimu da benda na woko Europe Italy we hu say ye I told you so sa sika na ye de kokowura obi kro bu sika na yakoto and woni ma de omoye they monitor the number of advertisements on the show and they sign a contract with you wunye sika na they take another percentage from it. Are we not crazy as people?
Abusia Captain Smart Edwalai pa na o si obusa media general say anyenye bia telenovelas now ye including Sesia Ghana Broadcasting Corporation do omo hajim no ase say o si senko na president of Ghana ha
me maka and let me repeat me ya Ghana man panin ne TV station bia ni krom ha obeyi telenovela bia enya African onua metam sankwase asem na mo yi wo TV ne so no India ni o country ko Adom TV omo so kwase asem sa ko UTV kwase asem sa da benda na wo ko America wo se yi ejeko e wo TV so Captain Smart na yi kwase asem sa wo TV so
aha let's start the chuma and any first time I pop into a video I'm so subscribe I'm me no click on notification bell on for latest updates on follow Facebook as let's start the chuma and TikTok also as let's start the chuma video I'm a favorite share any comments there wanna wager or comment section or Eddie and Mami I was telling novelas there's a see them say almost all stations media organizations they wadi channel be at the to be and most of them AEB and from Rosalinda to Esmeralda to Kunkumbagia, me sitting in aqua de Kunkumbagia no crowd.
I'm sorry. I don't know the I'm no sabi brave. I don't think Nadia metimiti asem papa. Meti cry the I done it and sia. Metimiti asem yesia.
Near what you know, and no.
Be Kunkumbagia. Just a man for ranko for the moment, na so man for we buye. Enye easy Kunkumbagia once a made the buyer. So now telenovelas are so wo TV stations so no enya asem keto na obehu say India ni na twi na mase obehu say Chinese na twi na mase eno ana Captain Smart si obusa say eni ehye hemfa saa de ne pa ase ekire sen o si de say de ne ya ne say media general start no ana sisia station anka ye state owned Ghana de amateur Ghana Broadcasting Corporation GTV and so do omo abegin hey
one I know come inaugural speech no
he is smart
won't even India ni all country yes and it sounds to me say I say Africans are one more pretty media houses no we tiam from
Captain Smart
what him say me my witness be wo baby am wo nti me ne bo what him say sika ye de koto almost $150,000.
He is smart. He is.
It is $150,000 now. Yeah, they quite a coupe bano. Yes, spending $75,000. Yeah, putting Kubewood together. Yeah, putting Ghana for the Muslim one Gallywood for together. Invest $75,000. Messi do benye jumaye. Lewin benye jumaye. Miguel offense the auto you say we do auto you me. Emilia Brobe Miguel no me feeling papa Emilia Brobe na me get pa so in video industry Von Nelson me feeling chairman of movie na these women these gents will get job to do sa sika na ye de kokowura obi kro bu sika na yakoto and woni ma de omoye they monitor the number of advertisements on the show and they sign a contract with you. When you see they take another percentage from it. Are we not crazy as people? Are we not crazy? You have to hear Juma say nipa. And this one without any apology to whoever of any media house. You have to hear Juma. You didn't answer. Nina TV trainer Kofa Rosalinda. TV real Rosalinda no Kofa Acapulco Bay. And then it continued. Let me ask. Yeti Omem has said. Omaya etimi. Da benda na uko Europe, Italy. When who say I told you so. And then Almighty GBC. That's what I say. So love spells so. So love spells so.
Touched by an angel.
Touched by an angel. And you kofa Japan for me and me. Yeah, near friend Senkra. Journey to the west. Japan for yen me. Near yen me. Oh, come on. Now, what is the chief? Yeah, Jimmy. And then everybody know, yeah, the chief. Which ya Teddy on the chief, which Yankania, chief, the Gatini chief, Fantini chief, Asantini chief, it's a man I was school now on the she, a chief, what's your samsa. And media houses, maybe a Ghana company, what board damasi, you can never show those rubbish on your TV. Don't tell me, say, censorship, there be. Kokate BBC, so ye Jaku. If you call it censorship. Eti, ya brabona ya body nano, abaye foreign incarnated. We are doing virtually nothing, but we are sitting down, crossing our legs, and doing what? Imitating somebody's culture. And imitation is limitation. Anytime you begin to sing like a Damreku, you are telling God that you gave me no talent. I want to be like Imreku. You have limited yourself. It's a Pentecost branch. I told him to say Damreku. No, why album or born my yeto? What on my head talk? Because if the original Mreku is there, why do you want me to come and buy a photocopy album? Men talk. It's me so no be told him to say Mreku and I'm a guy. Who need talent? Are you crazy? Nyame on fa de kro nche nipa mienu o cheche differently. It is said here Ron Kinoli eto nwum no enye sa da ba ko no land in the friend say our Father who art in heaven hallowed be Don Moy enye sa na to nwum ba e ko ma ha no ye mpebra bi amo enti kwase suosua ene ye di akire
Abusia Captain Smart ada kasano so say ka me na me president of Ghana kasanse hunu ni nyina sabi anke enkwaso e wo Ghana say mo ba be telenovelas wa bra moti Ghana ha mo actors a mo nim acting na omo ye series ni ade mo promote da dabi ti mo ye investment for sankofo yi mo na mo promote mo omo a ebe ye den enye Captain Smart kra na kakra na me kwa minim say telenovelas yi nyina mo diska koto na mu wi a advert amu be show wasu nyina mo sane mache na mo actors na mo Ghana na ade mo appreciate obu bi ma na nyese ma o kan say nka mo ye investment won kofo we mu a ye wo Jakiapia ye wo Jako ye wo Lewen ye wo Matankoma ne sankofo ni nyina mo invest wo mu a omu be nya adwuma ye amma bi aso afoforo so there's no need say nka omu be de omu ti be pempem kran so da bi bibini be kwa kofo obi abetena ni TV so no de ne krom kasa afasieti Captain Smart say san niema na ekoso no sebi eyensehunu a nyansa bi anim enti omo nhwe no munja emfa entonkone medi mani ediensem nechi any update be for ba me de ba be so mo me ka so be follow Facebook as let's do issue mata na TikTok so as let's do share video ama for abishe any comment bi anso awona waja e comment section e de amame me din e de na neki asanto makram